Hi, I'm Scott with Stan's Automotive. Have you ever had a question about your auto repair, but you were afraid to ask? We're dedicated to making sure you can drive your vehicle for as long as possible with the least amount of expenses. This brief video provides you with information designed to help you make the right decisions about your auto repair.
Motor oil is an essential lubricant. Its main function is to lubricate the moving parts in your engine, but it also cleans, inhibits corrosion, and cools the engine by carrying heat away from those moving parts. For years, the accepted interval for oil replacement and filter service has been every 3 months or 3,000 miles. Improvements in oil chemistry and engine design technology have allowed for a longer oil change intervals, typically anywhere from 4,000 to 10,000 miles or more for most vehicles. Over time, oil can break down as a result of the higher operating temperatures of today's smaller, higher revving engines. When this occurs, the oil becomes less effective and friction may increase, resulting in excessive and premature wear. Dirt and other contaminants may build up in both the oil and filter as well, creating sludge, also known as gel. Failure to follow the recommended service intervals provided by the manufacturer will cause your engine to work harder and may eventually lead to premature engine failure. From a safety standpoint, failing to change your oil isn't likely to pose a problem for you or other motorists. But from an environmental point of view, maintaining your vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommendations and your current driving conditions will result in a vehicle that will run better with lower exhaust emissions and a smaller carbon footprint.
Please call or go to our website and make an appointment today.